Hi, welcome to this week's Tasty Tuesday. Today we're going to be making some red enchiladas. Start by cutting up your green onion. Make sure you cut into very tiny pieces. You're going to want to cut about 3/4 of your onion. Then you're going to put that into a little container and set that aside. Next, you're going to start chopping up your lettuce. Make sure it's cut very thinly. Then you're going to set that aside in another bowl. Next, you're going to grab your cheese grater and add your cheese. Once your cheese is ready, you're going to set that into another bowl and you're going to grab your tortillas. You can set it for 1 minute on high heat. Once they're all warmed up, you're going to set them aside and you're going to grab your El Pato enchilada sauce and you're going to open it. Once it's open, you're going to add your enchilada sauce into a pan. And then you're going to grab another pan and add in lots of oil. I'm going to be using olive oil. Once your enchilada sauce is nice and warm, you're going to add in a tortilla and coat it all in sauce. Then you're going to add that tortilla into your pan with oil and you're going to fry it. You're going to leave it in there for 30 seconds each side. Make sure you don't overcook it. And you're going to repeat the process as many times as you like. Once they're cooked, you're going to grab one of your enchiladas and you're going to add cheese into it and then roll it up. You're going to do the same thing to all your enchiladas. You can use your hands or tongs to add the cheese. Add your shredded lettuce on the top, extra cheese, a little bit of your green onion, and some sour cream. And there you have it. There are your red enchiladas. Enjoy!